Hey, what's up, guys? Neil here. So, about 3 weeks ago, I decided to stop buying high quality neutral density filters made by either TBS or CameraButter. They're really good quality, very high quality. But for me, they're kind of expensive, especially we can easily break them during freestyle rips, right? When we crash, and it's kind of painful to always shell out like $5 to $10 for every piece. So I searched for some solution, which I actually shared in Instagram. So I found a sketchy store in AliExpress, and I just decided, you know what? Let me try buying their neutral density filters. It was cheap, so I wasn't worried about losing $10 for 8 pieces of their filter, which is this one. It's plastic. Other ones are graded. Like, I think this is called, I forgot, neutral density gradual, what's that? Gradual neutral density filters. But I had four of these different ratings as well. I think the other one is ND2, ND8, ND16, and ND32. So I converted them. I cut them. I cut them to dimensions of 33 by 36 millimeters. Okay, but I also cut a small one, which is the one that protects the Cadex Vista camera. Yeah, so right now it's on top of the GoPro Session 5. My GoPro Session 5 doesn't have any more glass because I broke it. So that plastic neutral density filter acts like the glass, which actually protects. However, I don't know how strong it is, how durable it is. So I brought with me here a hammer, and we will try to hit this. And I said in my Instagram post that it's 50 times more durable than the glass base ND filters like CameraButter or how do you call this, the TBS. But we will find out today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use like the gravity to hit this, but we'll see. We'll try. Okay. I wanna make sure it lands there. Oh, it's plastic. It didn't do anything. This is really good. So like what I said in my Instagram post, it is 50 times durable than glass, but they easily get scratched. Oh, it broke. Oh, it's not strong. It broke, buddy. But yeah, that first hit, it's still okay. But that first hit for a glass type of filter, it will break right away. Oh, that's funny. There you go. I think it's not. I think it's just a little durable than glass. Maybe not 50 times better, not 50% better. Maybe 10% better. So this is still good because, like what I said, all these 8 filters cost like $10 only, free shipping. Although it took about like 40 days. See? Now I'm hitting it. Yeah, man, it's strong. So maybe it's 20 times stronger. Yeah, there you go. I like it. So I'm now using my hand. Yeah, man, this is good. This is good. It's enough. So maybe I was hitting the edge. So I think it depends on where we actually hit it, which part of the the area. And then especially there will be some some cavity which will make it even weaker. So let's try to find something that will make this a little elevated. Oh yeah, we can use this one as the I think this will break now. There you go, it broke. So yeah, I might try to add some, I don't know if you can see that circle thing around the lens. I don't know if I should put something so that the filter will be sitting on it and not just the color blue outside, yeah, the border. So that will make it a little strong. I think that's what I'm gonna do. However, if we do that, I might it might get the video or the capture, the footage might include that thing. So I'll have to do some experiments. So maybe I can put TPU or maybe even PLA or carbon fiber. So we'll see. We'll find out. Yeah, I'm kind of worried about putting some protection because right now I'm pretty sure if I use 2.7K super wide, some parts of like this corner here is actually seen, and maybe also this part right here, it's seen on the footage. So if I put some protection there, it might get captured. I think that was the reason why GoPro, the company, had to put that like cavity there. Yeah, the space between the filter and the lens. Yeah, so I think that's what's gonna happen. But you know what? It doesn't hurt to do some tests. I'm gonna put something in there, not even like a print. I'll just grab some thin paper and then I'll put it right above that black thing there. Okay guys, just wanted to share this this gem, and again it's a 33 by 36, and I paid like $10 for 8 pieces, where I was able to use 4 of them, and then each piece this I'm able to make four filters. So it appears like it's around like 50 cents a piece, so which is not bad. And you've seen it guys, it's a little durable. And look what I did. I wasn't really worried about breaking it because it's so cheap and the quality is very acceptable. Although I've noticed some haziness, especially when the sun is right in front of us. So that's the only caveat or culprit about these filters. Yeah guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's cheap. Again, it's about $10, I guess, if I recall correctly. Oh, this thing. Well, maybe you're asking what is. Yeah, see? This is 12 pieces. That's the 12th one. This is 11. And I have not created the ND. I think this is ND16. Yeah. So, yep. Alrighty, guys. So I'm quite pleased with the results. It's a little more durable than the glass filters, but of course, like what I said, it is not scratch resistant. The glass filters are more scratch resistant than this. This is plastic. Quality is okay, especially when it's cloudy. It's beautiful and it's more durable. What else? It's cheaper. One piece, like what I said, it's like around 40 cents to maybe 55 cents versus $5 per piece. Look how much I have saved. I'm not a pro, so the quality for me is okay. I still do have CameraButter and TBS neutral density filter. So if I wanted a high quality footage, then I'll use that. But for ripping, yeah, for bandos or whatever flights, I'll just use this. Alrighty, guys, I'm quite pleased with the results. I'll let you know, and I'll let you know about this thing that I was talking about. The thing that I'll be adding to make it a little bit more stronger in crashes. Alrighty, guys, that's it. Later.